Hey Trailblazers! Buckle up because today we're diving into one of the flashiest, grimiest, and most complicated times in American history, the Gilded Age. That's right, the late 19th century, 1877 to 1900, where America was booming on the outside, but, well, let's just say, not everything was as golden as it seemed. So, picture this. Skyscrapers scraping the sky, factories cranking out goods faster than ever, and trains crisscrossing the country like a web of steel. It was the age of industrialization. Big business tycoons, guys like Andrew Carnegie, John D. Rockefeller, and J.P. Morgan, were rolling in cash, building massive monopolies, and reshaping the economy. But while they were living large in their mansions, factory workers were pulling 12-hour shifts for pennies. Fair? Not exactly. And let's talk about the cities. Urbanization was exploding. Millions of immigrants arrived from Europe and Asia, chasing the American dream. But instead, many found overcrowded tenements, dangerous working conditions, and political corruption that ran deeper than a subway tunnel. Ah yes, political corruption. Enter the likes of Boss Tweed and Tammany Hall, the kings of backdoor deals and rigged elections. Politics wasn't about democracy, it was about who had the biggest stack of cash. Sound familiar? Cough. History repeats itself. Cough. But don't worry, not everyone was just sitting back and watching the chaos. Reformers and journalists, like Ida B. Wells and Jacob Riis, were busy exposing the darker side of the Gilded Age, fighting for workers' rights and pushing for change. And spoiler alert, their work helped spark the progressive era. So, what do you think, Trailblazers? If you were living in the Gilded Age, would you be the next Rockefeller, a fearless reformer, or just trying to survive the hustle of the big city? Drop your thoughts below, and until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember history isn't just about the past, it's about the lessons we take into the future.